Okay, now we talk about the geometric transformations and the matrix algebra. We talk about the rotation, right? About rotation, the definition is the new point. Right down here. New point equal to rotation matrix. Usually rotation matrix we use R theta times original point. Okay? And the definition of a rotation matrix is this one you need to memorize. Okay? Rotation matrix is cosine theta. And here is cosine theta. Here is negative sine theta. Here is sine theta. Cosine, sine, negative. Cosine, sine, negative. Okay, that's rotation matrix. Therefore, depending on the rotate different degree, rotate is this way, right? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Alright? Rotate anti-clockwise. Or you know this one? If rotate negative sign, you just sub in. It's okay. Alright? So you just memorize this right enough. So if rotate 0 degree, the mean change, no change. So it becomes cosine 0 degree, negative sine 0 degree, right? You need to understand unit circle 0. Right? So become what? The textbook write a lot. You don't need to, you just remember this one. The most important is just this rotation matrix. That's all, okay? And when you need it, you just sub in, right? Rotate 0 degree is what? Don't you? Cosine 0 is what? Cosine 0, 1. Sine 0, 0. Sine 0, 0. Cosine 0, 1. Okay. That's rotate 0 degree. And then rotate 0 degree equal to what? Equal to rotate 360 degree, right? They are the same thing. Okay? 0 degree and 360 degree should be the same, alright? Okay. Okay, how about rotate 90 degree? So equal to what? Cosine 90 degree, negative sine 90 degree, sine 90 degree, cosine 90 degree. So equal to cosine 90 equal to how much? Cosine 90 equal to 0, right? Sine 90 1, so here become negative 1. Sine 90 1, cosine 90 0, right? That's a rotate 90 degree. Okay. How about rotate 180 degree? So equal to rotate 180 degree, negative sine 180 degree, sine 180 degree, cosine 180 degree, right? So equal to cosine 180 how much? Negative 1. Negative sine 0, sine 180 degree 0. Cosine 180 degree negative 1, right? If you forget about unit circle, go back to unit circle to review it, alright? Okay, now rotate 270 degree. The same, we substitute cosine 270 degree, negative sine 270 degree, sine 270 degree, cosine 270 degree. So equal to what? 27 cosine 0, 1, negative 1, 0. Okay? Okay. Cosine 0 degree. Here's 1. 0. Sine 0, cosine 0 is 1. Yeah, that's right. Oh, textbook is wrong. Right? Yeah, textbook is wrong. Be careful. Okay? Yeah, sometimes textbook they get errors. They have mistake. You use the basic basic definition. You can get the answer. All right. Now I use example to show you how do you do an example of rotation. Right. Find image. If I want to find image, find image point. Of what? Of 2, -2. Under rotation matrix, suppose, okay, pi radian over 4. Okay? So how do you do this one? So we need to find the rotation. Pi over 4. If radian we don't write, if we don't write down c, that's fine, right? So equal to what? Equal to cosine pi over 4. Negative sine pi over 4. Sine pi over 4. Cosine pi over 4. So equal to 1 over square root 2 next 1 over square root 2 1 over square root 2 and 1 over square root 2. Okay, because on unit circle pi over 4 1 square root 2, right? So 1 over square root 2, that's rotation matrix. Okay? Therefore, the new point should be what? New point equal to rotation matrix times the original point. So equal to 1 over square root 2. Negative 1 over square root 2 and 1 over square root 2. 1 over square root 2 times 2, negative 2, right? So we get an answer should be equal to, I change this one over square root 2 become what? Become square root 2 over 2 is fast. Okay. Rationalize again. Times square root 2, right? Times square root 2. I change the number become square root 2 over 2, alright? And the negative square root 2 over 2. Square root 2 over 2 and the square root 2 over 2. Okay? That's the new matrix. Square root 2 over 2. Negative square root 2 over 2. Square root 2 over 2. And the square root 2 over 2. Okay? And then this one times this one, we get square root 2 and the plus negative 2 times negative square root 2 over 2 is plus square root 2, right? Square root 2, this one times this one, and this minus plus negative 2 times square root 2 over 2 becomes minus square root 2. So we get new point is what? 2 square root 2 and 0. Okay? Therefore, the graph is before you are in the 2, negative 2 here. That's the original point. P. After doing rotation 2 square root 2 equal to 2 times 1.414, right? So equal to 2.828. 2.828 around here. See? Re-rotate from here to where? Use 0 as the center, right? Rotate like this. Go to a new point here. 2 square root 2 here. Okay? That's the rotation.